Welcome. Today let's break down the Indian Contract Act 1872 and understand its basics in a simple way. A contract is a promise or set of promises made between two or more people which the law will enforce. For example, if A agrees to sell a bike to B for Rs 5,000 and B agrees to buy it, that's a contract if the law recognizes it. Section 2(h) of the Act says, a contract is an agreement enforceable by law. This means not all agreements are contracts, only those the law will support. The essentials of a valid contract are offer and acceptance, lawful consideration, capacity, free consent, and lawful object. Offer means one person proposes something. Acceptance is when the other person agrees. Lawful consideration is the value exchanged, like money or services. Capacity means both parties must be legally able to contract, like being adults of sound mind. Free consent means no force or fraud. Lawful object means the contract's purpose must be legal. A common contract example is renting an apartment. The landlord agrees to let you live in the apartment and you agree to pay rent each month. This agreement is legally binding if all essentials are met. Another example is an employment contract. When you get a job, you and your employer agree on your role, salary, and work conditions. This contract protects both parties under the law. Even buying something online creates a contract. When you order a product and pay for it, the seller is legally required to deliver the item as promised. Contracts can be valid, void, or voidable. Valid contracts are enforceable. Void contracts have no legal effect. Voidable contracts can be cancelled by one party. There are also express contracts which are clearly stated and implied contracts which are understood by actions. Contingent contracts depend on an event. Quasi-contracts are imposed by law to prevent unfairness. Section 73 deals with compensation for loss or damage caused by breach of contract. For example, if A fails to deliver goods to B, B can claim compensation for the loss suffered. Judiciary tip. For exams, focus on Section 10, essentials of a valid contract, especially free consent and capacity. These are frequently asked. Follow for more quick law lectures. Next up, consideration explained in detail.